Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're using an Xbox Elite controller and want more precise control in your games, customizing the thumbstick tension can make a huge difference. Many players stick with the default setting, but adjusting the tension can improve aim accuracy, movement control, and overall gameplay feel. Whether you prefer a tighter stick for shooting games or a looser one for smoother movement, the controller is designed to give you that flexibility. The best thing is that, once you know how to adjust it, you can fine tune it in seconds to match your playstyle. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the controller or disconnect it from your device. Step 2. Take the adjustment tool that came with the controller. Step 3. Remove the thumbstick cap gently. Step 4. Insert the tool into the tension adjustment slot. Step 5. Turn clockwise for tighter tension or counterclockwise for looser. Step 6. Reattach the thumbstick and test the feel in game.